Yeah, it's 2012, my friends. You don't know SCP, Smart Dog Diamond. Yeah, this one is for my ladies, for my babies, for the swankies. This a bubble up thing, this a bubble up thing, this a bubble up thing. This a TikTok thing, this a TikTok thing, this a TikTok thing. Simon in the dance and we wine and get on bad and we raise up we can and we get on bad and we drinks and wake up. Y'all, let me see you bubble bubble up, let me see you wine up, let me see you take it up, let me see you jiggle up your big butt up, let me see you wine up, let me see you wine up, let me see you TikTok, wine to the left, wine to the right, jiggle and you wine all night. East to the west and the north to the south. Y'all do is the best and you run up the road. This a bubble up thing, this a TikTok thing, this a TikTok thing. Bubble up thing, this a bubble up thing, this a TikTok thing, this a TikTok thing. Y'all you got more bumper than a car. The way that you wine and you wine so far. Mr. Lena, the way that you just wine, the way that you wine, you come message after. The way that you bubble up, you bubble up, you bubble up, you bubble up, you bubble up. The way that you bubble up, you bubble up, you bubble up, you bubble up. Now give me the wine, give me the grind. Come kill me with the wickedest wine. Give me the wine, give me the grind. Girl, I want you mix it up. Give me the bump and grind. Give me the TikTok, give me the bubble up, give me the move up, give me the groove up, give me the TikTok, give me the TikTok, give me the bubble up. Carnival time come back again with the wine up thing. Carnival time come with the grind up thing. Carnival time come back again. Carnival time, real nice thing. Carnival bubble up thing. Let me see you just whining. Let me see you bubble up up your waist and the carnival start and it's real peace. Move up your damn waist. Carnival start and it's real peace. Let me see you just wine and stuff. Let me see you wine, girl, just bubble up. Let me see you just start up the damn thing. Carnival start. So you remember, SCP say just bubble in.